Okay, so now we have to move on to the technical words. What to produce? Economy has to basically choose between two type of goods. That is the consumer goods and capital goods. Economy has to decide that which type of good to produce, but first we should try and understand what these goods means. Consumer goods are the goods which directly satisfy some of your want. Like for example, if you were feeling cold, say, bought a jacket for yourself and want has been satisfied, right? Or maybe simplest example, you were hungry, bought food for yourself and ate it, want is satisfied. But these capital goods are the goods which are used for the further production. You can call them as machines and tools. Are the capital goods which are used for making these consumer goods. So you can just see that both the goods are equally important for the economy. If there is a lack of capital goods, its ability or its capacity to produce in future will be reduced. While if there is a lack of consumer goods, the members of the economy would not be able to satisfy their wants. Economy has to balance between the requirement of two goods. When you have to explain this particular problem, these are the things which need to be mentioned, right? Suppose you are asked to explain the problem of what to produce, so you have to mention that there is a choice between the consumer goods and the capital goods. You have to tell what a consumer good means, what a capital good means, and you have to write that economy has to make a balance so that it can fulfill the requirement of both the commodities in an economy. Then the second topic of discussion is how to produce. It basically again is a problem of choice regarding the technique of production, which technique of production to use. Economy has two options. Either it can adopt labor intensive technique or a capital intensive technique.